Hello, I'm Andrew Moverley and welcome to the Shire Wellbeing Festival. I'm going to play you a few songs for you. I thought I'd do this outside. We're just at the bottom of my street. This is Yowie Bay and Camellia Gardens in the background. So I spend a bit of time down here through lockdown with a cup of tea and a book. We're very lucky to have it on our doorstep. So the first song I'm going to do for you is called A New Dawn, and it's a classical song. Now I love classical because it conjures up cool imagery within your mind. So if you'd like to do this or not, I'd like to play a little game. So as I play, just close your eyes and see what images come up in your mind, and post a comment, let us know what comes up. I'll be intrigued. So it's called A New Dawn. It's about hope for the future. So very fit in. That was A New Dawn, and this next one's called Be Free. Be free. Ain't nothing greater that you can be. Sway. Sway that lazy little kind of palm tree way. 'Cause no footprints left in the sand were ever made by standing still. So get up, and move on. With every sense awake in a dreamlike state. 'Cause when you're lost in nature, you'll soon find the true riches of this world. Like the sun rising out of the sea, be the change you wanna be. Don't let your mind hold you back. Let yourself be free. Like the sun rising out of the sea, be the change you wanna see. Don't let your mind hold you back. Let yourself be free. Let yourself be free. Let yourself be free. Flow. Flow with the playfulness that every child knows. 'Cause life should be fun. And if it's not, then do all in your power to try to fix this. Find something that you love to do and try to master this, knowing that learning is infinite and there's always room to grow. Be still. Calm those oceans of your mind, and soon you'll see that path you seek to find. But to see this, you gotta realize one thing, that there's no better moment than right now. Like the sun rising out of the sea, be the change you wanna see. Don't let your mind hold you back, let yourself be free. Like the sun rising out of the sea, be the change you wanna be. Don't let your mind hold you back, let yourself be free. Let yourself be free. Let yourself be free. Alright, my sunglasses were falling off my face on that one, so they stayed on. Right, now we're sing along time at home. This one, hopefully you all know, it's a bit of a classic. So it's Doobie Gray, Drift Away. Here we go. Well, day after day I'm more confused. Yeah, I look for the light in the pouring rain. You know it's a game that I hate to lose, and I'm feeling the strain. Yeah, Lord, it's a shame. Oh, give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. Wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. Wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Beginning to think that I'm wasting time, and I don't understand the things I do. The world outside seems so unkind, and I'm counting on you to carry me through. Oh, give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. Wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. Wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. And when my mind is free, you know the melody can soothe me. And when I'm feeling blue, guitar's coming through to soothe me. Thanks for the joy that you give me. I want you to know I believe in your song. Rhythm and rhyme and harmony, they've helped me along. Yeah, making me strong. Oh, give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. Wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Yeah, give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. Wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Your turn to sing along. me the beat, boy, to free my soul. Wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Come on, let's hear you. Yeah, give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. Wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Won't you help me? Won't you help me? Yeah, take me home. Oh, won't you help me? Won't you help me and take me home? Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. Wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Give me the beat, boy, to free my soul. Wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Good singing, by the way. And that one person dancing. You know who you are. I've been Andrew Moverley, so thanks for having me at the Shire Wellbeing Festival. I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully I'll see you again in the future. Check out all the rest of the events on the Facebook page or the shirewellbeingfestival.com. Lots of yogas, talks, and cooking, meditation. Check it out. Bye-bye. All right. Just realised I was a few minutes short on my set, so I'll add another song. I did time it out, but I changed the song. So here we go. This one's called Dream On. And it's about living in this beautiful country, Australia. I wanna take you to a distant land with turquoise seas and golden sands. Sail away in that summer breeze in dreamlands. Close your eyes and think of happiness. We'll sit back and take a deep breath. We all live with our dreams and our plans. They go together, hand in hand. So dream on, dream on, dream on, baby. Only you can keep your dreams in life, yeah. Dream on, baby. Don't stop until they all come true. Yeah, dream on, baby. Dream on, dream on. Open up your heart, open up your senses. We live in a world that makes us real. You control your thoughts, you can't control your feelings. Make sure it's happiness that you believe in, singing. Dream on, baby. Only you can keep your dreams in life, yeah. Dream on, baby. Don't stop until they all come true. Yeah, dream on, baby. Dream on, dream on. I live my life the way I wanna be. I know who I am, and my spirit's running free. I got a passion just for being alive. Gonna live my life till the day I die, singing, dream on, baby. Only you can keep your dreams alive, yeah. Dream on, baby. Don't stop until they all come true. Yeah, dream on, baby. Dream on, oh, oh. Dream on.